She booked me solid. X-Treme True Stories. X-Treme True Stories. Yep. This one's about my wife. And apparently, you should never piss off the person who controls the schedule. This happened a long time ago. You know how married couples are. Every once in a while, you get into a little argument. I don't even remember what this one was about. Probably bills, probably money, probably me, hell, probably all three. But we had some words, and that was that, or so I thought. Monday came,
and man, I was busy.
Tuesday,
Even busier.
Wednesday,
I'm running my ass off.
Thursday, I can barely catch my breath. And by Friday,
I'm thinking,
where the hell did all this work come from? At the end of the week, I'm looking over the schedule, looking at the numbers, and I said, damn, we had a really good week. And then I started thinking, wait a minute. I looked at my wife, she looked at me, and she had this little smile on her face. You know that smile, the one that tells you something ain't right. I said, hold on. Did you schedule all this work?
because you were mad at me.
She looks right at me and says,
I had to get you out of the house somehow.
well, I guess you won that argument. So fellas, take a little advice from me. If your wife answers the phones and controls the schedule,
Just apologize.
you don't even need to know what you did.
Just apologize.
X-Treme True Stories. 20 plus years in business. And apparently, marriage counseling would have been cheaper.